Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let me share with you the best method to receive instant payments on Cash App. Alright, so the best method to receive instant payments on Cash App is to make your account easy to find and ready to accept funds. Use a clear, recognizable cash tag and keep your profile fully verified so that payments are not held for reviews. Share your cash tag directly rather than screenshots, because this is going to help you to reduce errors. Ensure notifications are enabled so that you can confirm payments immediately when they arrive. Keep your account in good standing by avoiding suspicious activities or fraudulent disputes. Instant payment depend on clean account history and of course accurate sender information. When your account is prepared and visible, payments typically arrive without delays. But that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.